Parts wear out over time. You pretty much name it, and it will need replacing sooner or later. Routine checkups help to ensure your vehicle stays in good working condition, and in the long run can help save you money. Remember, not keeping up with regular checkups may also affect your manufacturer's warranty. Nope, most shops only change your oil, top off fluids, and put air in your tires. Yes, the works. It's like going to your doctor for a routine checkup but for your vehicle. Making sure everything is working in top condition, like belts and hoses, brakes, batteries, and so much more. We'll even rotate your tires in order to help your vehicle perform at its best longer. Since each part may need attention at different times, we recommend following your owner's manual maintenance schedule. Call SRQ Auto for service hours and more. No appointment necessary.